So this class was called Math and Art, and it was basically a combination of two different disciplines. The math side, we had Lee, and then Cushman from the art side. We kind of got both of their expertise put together in one class. So it was really interesting to see how math and art combined together in different ways.
I love doing art, I love doing acrylics, and I absolutely love math. I took it as a way to combine two things that I love.
So I'm an art major, studio art. I'm not good at math at all. That's part of why I took this class is I have a really hard time with math. Math is not easy for me to understand. It's like the complete opposite side of what I think or how I think. And this class has really opened my eyes up to kind of how much math is intertwined with art and has helped me kind of bridge that gap that I think I had. I started to understand that it wasn't as hard as I made it out to be to put math into the artwork. It kind of gave me this aha moment of I can do this. I don't know why I was doubting myself, and kind of gave me a sense of like self-respect.
Well, I've always been a person that doesn't really fully learn the way that we're taught in school sometimes. I found that I need something more concrete. And so putting math with art helps the abstract become a little bit more concrete.
Having, two different unique people kind of working together to come to a common goal has been really, fulfilling, I think, for both of them and for us. And I don't think that a lot of other big universities are capable of doing those things. I think we're easier to work close-knit, and there's a lot more closer connections and, personability.